there's
No, not Netflix. Download some movies with first.
No, you can download movies. It's not that. Is what I'm saying is
No, I'm saying through iTunes.
Can I open up the
Buy
door?
a movie. You know what I'm saying? Like, but
if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can't watch it. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You're better off going to
no, they download it into the thing, no? You download
No,
it
but you have to have
into your
Wi-Fi to
iPad.
access the store. To
Yeah.
watch it. That's the thing.
If I access the store today,
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You'd still have to have Wi-Fi to watch the freaking movie. Because you'd only be able to play it through the iTunes account. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What you can do though is what I do with my Kindle. Since I don't get Wi-Fi with it, you go to YouTube and you download VTube, and then you just download whatever movies you want from there. That's what I do with my. You can play it wherever.
there?
Yeah, you can play it wherever. Yeah.
All right, then, because I need to download some movies in there.
Just go to YouTube and then you download. There's this thing called VTube. You don't need Wi-Fi. You just download it into your fucking.
Then you pick a couple of movies and you download.
Yeah, that's what I have. I have like 200, 300 videos. You know? I even got alien movies and shit downloaded and I'll be watching them shit while waiting to go to work. I'm like,
okay?
Hmm?
So, let me just leave your iPad later and then we can do it real quick, okay?
Plus, I gotta put my stuff into the new iPad
Alright, do you
anyway.
wanna take a shower or do you wanna wait for the thunder to be like on our head?
take a shot.